Abdelrahman El Khalouf, élève de première.
Before I start, I will be reading 2 poems since Ms. Hafid insisted that I do so. The first one, that it is about love, but it's a bit somber. It's called Guarded. Every day seemed gray, repetitive, meaningless. I feel more alive in dreams than in reality. I seem to be drowning in an ocean of darkness. Or have I long been drowned and only now realizing? Life had died for me subtly, once I stopped being blind to my reality, that the love of my dearest was only a veil, covering behind it a piercingly hurtful, infectious ache. My soul was crushed, my heart had died, and my mind was lost. My will for life had faded to naught. I found myself in a deep, dark, and hollow void, all alone with none near me to notice and save my soul. Perhaps I forbid my own self of a savior, fearing another misleading emancipator, feeling as though I lie undeserving of love, of deliverance, and thus I am confined, forbidden of feeling another's resonance. Consequently, I drowned in a sea of loneliness. Death had settled in my eyes. My soul had lost to the void's emptiness. I was left dreading life and looking forward to being relieved by death. But after some time, I felt an irritation. A very familiar feeling was revisiting. How unwelcomed it was, just as it was familiar. It was to me a very horrid and deceiving feeling. Love is what I had felt. Love is what I had left. I no longer want it. I no longer like it. To me, it was betrayal incarnate. But the more I shunned it away, the more it persisted to stay until I simply gave up and let it have its way. It was then that it was revealed to me that the love I had felt from others wasn't theirs alone, but in a way, my own. I had long repressed the love I had for myself in a desperate attempt to rid myself of it. As a mirror reflects one's expression. Alas, I'd opened my eyes wide with hope. As my eyelids were slowly drawn, so were the curtains of emptiness, and finally it was revealed to me. My love for myself had been the entire time guarding me. Thank you. This is of forms. The whole world I would set aflame. For love, in its truest of forms, nothing can be inordate. For in the face of such true love, do all things become mundane. Thank you.
Mon poème est intitulé Dépendance. Dépendance. Sans toi, mes réveils perdent leur intrigue, mes sommeils deviennent banals, mes journées pleines de fatigue, mes soirées emplies de haine et de mal. Sans toi, la vie perd de sa valeur et la mort semble guetter aux heures les plus proches. Par contre, quand tu viens, je crois vivre des éternités et mon être se remplit d'une joie, d'une sérénité. Quand tu viens, j'oublie tout et tu règnes sur mes pensées. Je rêve d'une journée avec toi, sous le soleil, d'une nuit avec toi, sous la lune, une veille. Mais un jour, une nuit ne me suffiront pas. La vérité soit-elle qu'une éternité ne me satisfera pas. Je me contenterai donc de t'aimer, de penser à toi, de ne jamais t'oublier. La vérité soit-elle, mon amour, que simplement t'avoir rencontré dès le premier jour m'a suffi. Pour cela, je te remercie d'être resté. Et si un jour tu devais partir, j'attendrai ton retour. Jusqu'à mes derniers jours, j'attendrai.